Welcome to the Great Outdoors Adventures Trailhead. This is our 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000 crew cab. Actually, it's a 6 cab. It'll fit 6 people comfortably. Coming around the outside, you can see it has a full windshield with a windshield wiper. We got a 4,500 pound winch in here to get us unstuck out of snow drifts. No problem. Has an antenna on there. Has a radio, Bluetooth stereo, which I'll show you in a second. Front and back doors open up. Got really good aggressive tires for the snow. We've got a storage bin in the back for extra layers, food and drinks. Got a back window to keep the cabin closed, a spare tire and wheel. Coming around this side, we have the back door opens up. Both these doors open up backwards. This passenger window opens and closes with a old-fashioned turn knob. Keeps you ventilated in there. Looking inside, you can see we got a bench seat for 3 people in back. We have a power port back here for charging. We have an insulated cab with an amazing sound system in here to listen to Christmas music or other fun music. We got 3 seat belts in back. Opening up the front door here. Same thing on the driver's side. We got a knob for opening up that side window there. And then looking inside, we've got our instrument panel. We've got our lights in here, controls, the winch control. We've got our dashboard. And coming over here, this vehicle has an integrated ride command GPS system, and we can switch to music mode to listen to stereo or Bluetooth music. And then we have a review mirror up here, windshield wiper control. Again, amazing stereo system. It's even got a light inside for nighttime. We get back late. It's got seating for 3 up in front. Absolutely amazing vehicle. It'll be perfectly comfortable in winter or summer use. If anybody has respiratory issues, we can bring them out in this and keep all the dust out of the vehicle for using the air conditioning in the summer or in the winter time. But this is an amazing brand new vehicle we're introducing for ride-along tours. Only the Great Outdoors Adventure staff will be driving this vehicle, but you'll have a great time and be comfortable in this. Come out and enjoy a winter sleigh ride in our 2020 Polaris Ranger.